I have seen so many Corvettes in the year of 2023, from fantastic auto shows, drift racing where the cars are just dirty as they can be from all that track work, and then just out at LS Fest, for example, seeing great cars out there, and then just general run-of-the-mill shows with really cool themes. Let's look into this a little bit more and see what we got. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you very much for joining me. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please follow. Remember, I have my Facebook page. Join me there at any time you wish. This video is going to be chocked full of really cool Corvettes like this 57 Experimental Factory Racer from the American Speed Museum in Lincoln, Nebraska. Fantastic car. Really enjoyed looking at this one. And then the first production Corvette. This was also very nice. And then moving into a really well-restored 1957 Corvette. So I have seen a ton of Corvettes in the year 2023. Let's continue seeing some examples. As we gander at this fantastic 1960 Resto mod, I would prefer to just sit back, relax, and play music over a lot of these visuals of great Corvette examples that I had seen in the year of 2023. So let's just continue moving down the road with these. Arriving to this beautiful C2 at Buc-ee's in basically Royce City, not too far from Rockwall in Dallas, Texas. This was a fantastic car, very well done. Really enjoyed it. And I've got a few more C2s here to show you that are also going to come from the Dallas Autorama and beyond. Well, this very confused C2 Corvette, highly modified for autocross. This was a gem to look upon. And you know what? Speaking of racing, let's get into the C3s. This gentleman posed for me with his nice C3 that he had out at the Paris drag strip. Let's take a look at how well he did. Popping back to Royce City Wednesday night cruise-ins, this life member of the Corvette Club of Texas has had a couple of old C4 that, well, they've seen some better days. Been there and done that. That is for sure. So let's just give him a respectful gander and look around his cars and see what we've got here. Finishing off the C4s is his twin-turbo monster that was at LS Fest 2023. Really cool car. Sorry, never got to see this thing run, but it sure did look cool. I had popped by, getting close to summertime, Sherman, Texas, to see this C5 with a hitch and trailer. What a neat little surprise. And what a surprise it is to see a Pikes Peak Corvette at the American Museum of Speed in Lincoln, Nebraska. This was rather cool. Another C5 hoping to autocross at Texas Motor Speedway in the middle of the summer. You know what? Didn't happen, but it was a cool looking car. Well, what did happen was this C5 and following after this a C6 being members of Urban Racing in North Texas doing some drifting. I'm bouncing back to some more awesome drift vets at LS Fest in the middle of summer at the Texas Motor Speedway. Just giving you a quick look at these guys. Pretty cool. Now here is a very special C7. This is owned by a friend of mine, well, East Texas, Ben. It is his custom First Responders Tribute Corvette, a fantastic show car. He has worked so hard on this car. And in a minute here, you're going to see how the door panels and seats were custom, reupholstered in Kentucky Bowling Green. As a matter of fact, it is a beautiful car. And at night, he has a full light bar and other lights around this car for a fantastic UFO-ish night show. It is a cool car. You just got to see it to believe. It is a fantastic show car. And you'll also see in a minute here where he was actually giving a police radar system to put into his Corvette. It is really neat. Met up with Ben at the beginning of November when I got my C8 Z06 to let him have a look at this. So we're moving into the C8s. Let me introduce to you Joe and his fantastic C8 Z51 Blue Angels theme. Joe was a firefighter, I believe in Boston, somewhere north, transplanted himself down here in Texas. Glad he did. And be sure to pay attention to the work that he did on this car. He has got lighting back behind some of these display panels, especially up front, that are really cool. This is a great show car. Just by chance? Well, I ran into Chance, I guess, a good 3 times. This is one video clip while we were in Royce City at Buc-ee's, and I just really wanted to give you a good look at his Z06. It is a mighty fine spec'd out car. So let's enjoy this, and following this Z06, I have 2 more to show you. They were the first couple of Z06s that I'd seen in 2023. I'd like to take you back to some more C8 Stingrays. This one was, again, at Texas Motor Speedway for some autocross that ended up not happening because of storms, but I really thought the wrap job was cool. I am pretty sure that not only with a nice aero kit, this was probably a Z51. Now, following this car, I ran into the owner of Boost District, and they do supercharged C8s. These are fantastic, wonderful cars. Boost District will compete with ProCharger and other companies, but I really like these cars. They're really nice, and it's another supercharged option for C8s. Well, it's the end of the video. It's a long one. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. And please like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Follow if you're on Rumble. I appreciate it very much. Y'all have a fantastic day. Relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.